Two and a Half Brothers were all set to record when they realized one crucial step was missed: the audio check. Chaos and hilarity ensued.
Literally, okay.
Jake is
Now,
half a moron.
no, dude, what the fuck, man? It won't.
It won't
Bro.
what?
Shut up.
It won't shut up.
God, usually Jake is the one getting frustrated like this. Usually it's like me or Alex.
What's
Okay.
going on? What is he even
Now
trying to
it should
fix?
be-
I don't even know what problem he's been
Shut
trying
the
to fix.
fuck up, Alex. God damn it, dude. You're so fucking annoying, dude.
Just mute him.
Damn, bro. What did I do, bro?
What did you
mute
What
both
did
of
you
us.
do?
You're all
You-
cranky because you didn't get any
Bro,
sleep.
because you're like, what are you even doing? I've said it like 8 fucking times.
Sorry,
His
dude.
mouse board's making clicks and he needs to figure it out.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, you need to put fucking Alex's face over there.
Okay, it's on Discord. It has to be on Discord. Oh, I know exactly what you need to do. You go to settings.
Not on Discord though,
Are
because he's not. Wait,
I'm
maybe.
not recording my audio through Discord, bro. It won't pick me up on Discord. It's picking you guys up on Discord. Mine is getting picked up through my fucking physical mouse. So I had to, and it's still not picking up my fucking voice, dude.
It'll.
I swear to fuck, Alex. I swear
you
to
on?
fuck.
Who's fuck?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Just mute
I
us,
know
you
you
fucking bitch.
Bro, how are you this frustrated? I just got here.
Bro.
Usually takes at
Because
least a
it-
couple games, dude.
Bro, it's frustrating because it will sometimes pick up keys and sometimes won't. So I don't know what to fucking do. I don't know what to do. Fuck this. I don't even care anymore. Alex, are we getting rid of these dumbass borders? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Bro, I used my 2 free downloads for that shit, dude.
2 free
You have
downloads.
2 more tomorrow.
Yeah. Now I gotta hang on, I gotta God.
Dude, you need to fucking relax. This is what happens when you pull an adult all-nighter. You do a cranky little bitch.
I am hang on.
But your kids are better than this.
Ungroup. Okay, hang on. I gotta
Where are
I
my
gotta
pretzel
redo.
bites, bro? Hang on 1 second.
Okay.
I'd love to
There.
play a game.
Yeah, I know. Alright.
The fact that this never occurred to you is weird.
I fucking forgot, dude. I'm doing
It's
a test.
so interesting.
Doing a test. Okay.
Click, 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 click.
It won't it literally won't pick up my voice now.
Dude, that's a water burp right there.
Because you have it set too high, Jake.
It's either I'm picking it up or it's not like
How close is your mic to your keyboard? Or your fucking, your mic to your keyboard.
it's like right next to it.
Oh,
See,
you
it
think-
won't even pick
Oh
that up,
my
dude.
god.
Okay, delete that then,
No
Jake.
wonder why.
Fuck
Might as
you,
well
man.
be doing an ASMR
Alex,
channel for
dude,
keyboards.
I don't need you fucking talking down to me the entire time while I'm trying to figure out the shit you're supposed to be fucking doing, you piece of shit.
I'm
Dude,
supposed to be doing
you're
it,
the one
dude.
that does all this. You're the one that knows how to do all this stuff.
I
and then you're
told
just
you.
like, fuck you, dude. You gotta figure it out, man. And now I'm fucking over here trying to figure shit out, dude. And you're just like, wow.
I told you
you're
how
so
to do it.
dumb.
It's a noise
You didn't know
gate.
you didn't know you needed a noise gate, dude? Are you fucking stupid? Have you
How
never
about-
done this before?
Is this what I
Hey,
said?
Jake. Hey, Jake.
Yes.
I'll go back on the recording, but I'll double check.
Can
But-
you
I
can
can't
you
even.
just
I can't.
wait? Can you just run your voice through Discord instead?
It won't let me, dude. I don't know why. Oh, OBS crashed. Huh, I wonder why. Motherfucker, dude. I lost Alex. I lost everything. It won't pick me up now. What is happening? Alex is gone. I don't know where Alex went.
Dude, I wish I was recording everyone's cameras right now.
Dude, where the hell did Alex go? Alex got deleted, dude. I gotta fucking re-add Alex now, dude. Son of a bitch, dude. Oh my god, dude.
Oh, this is the best.
I'm so glad it's so funny for you, dude. Web 2.
It gave me a great laugh, Jake.
The
Thank
name
you.
already exists? How? Alex should not exist. He's not on the sources. There is no web. Oh, dude.
Y-
I
Did
found him.
you need to scroll up?
Dude, I can't grab Alex. His camera's gone, dude.
Grab.
Look at this.
Yeah,
How do I can't grab you, dude. I gotta
Bro, you're not
fucking
even sharing your
completely redo
screen
Alex,
anymore.
dude.
did you lock it?
Bro, no, it was not. It's not that it was locked. It was hang on.
Are you recording right now, Jake?
No, dude, I am not, because all you're gonna hear is click, click, clack, click, clack. That's it.
Got those Cherry MX Blues, huh?
Alex, I don't know what the fuck that means, dude. It's so annoying, dude.
Means they have clickety clacks.
You just need to get a keyboard that doesn't sound like you're flicking your bean, brother.
What do you mean it already exists? It's gone, dude. Web 4 now. Web 4. There you go.
Bro, I got Jacob blowing up though, like on this recording. It's pretty good.
Do you? You were recording that whole thing?
I recorded that whole thing. Yeah, you said you should probably start recording now, and you said that. I fucking hit the button.
Yeah.
Wait. Nope. I don't know why it won't pick. It picks literally you and Alex up perfectly on Discord. I'm also talking through Discord, and it is not picking me up at all.
Because you're not outputting anything to yourself on Discord.
That
So
makes
how the-
perfect fucking sense.
It actually
I don't
does.
You're inputting into Discord.
Really.
I'm gonna send you a video.
Alex, I swear to fuck, dude, I just watched a video. Do you not remember me saying that? And then everyone's like, why did you watch a video?
Like for me, I'm running a gain and noise suppression. Those are the two that I'm running right now.
Although this guy has you download these filters from another website.
Did you do noise suppression too?
Yeah, this guy has a gate, an EQ, and a compression on his mic. On the Razer Siren.
Bro, this is the same fucking shit I had downloaded.
Oh.
I just want you to know that.
Okay.
I just want you. Why are you downloading stuff?
Dude,
like
why are
the
you
third time
downloading
you told me.
stuff, dude? Because you don't cite any sources, bro. You don't say, well, I was watching a video. This guy.
Cite any sources?
Yeah,
Damn,
he's just.
someone's
You're just like,
apologized.
yeah, you're like, I'm downloading these. You say it. I'm just downloading these filters, and you're like, we're like, what? Like without any context.
You're trying to get him going. You're
All
trying.
right, step one: buy a mic stand. So gotta put that on the shopping cart.
You don't have You don't have any mic stand.
It literally, fuck, dude, you can't even see my goddamn screen. Hang on, dude.
Do you have a mic stand, Alex?
Of course I do. That's how it's sitting right in front of my face.
What
It's
does
not gonna.
yours look like,
It's
Jake?
not gonna pick it up. I'm trying to fucking show you. It's,
Yeah.
I gotta
Here,
close it. OBS.
Both running mic stands, Jake. You see that?
Give me a sec. Mic stand.
Mic stand.
It stands right there, dude.
I can't see anything. Wait a sec.
Really?
Let me see. Let me see. Show me again. Brother. Me and Alex have these fucking 14-inch poles holding ours.
Yeah,
Yeah. Might as well be some black dude standing next to me.
I got fucking Harambe's dick. I'd like to say this was a productive day, but it wasn't.